How to transfer Spotify playlist to your YouTube music. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can transfer your Spotify playlist to YouTube music. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically transfer Spotify playlist to YouTube music, you have to use a third-party service in between because there isn't directly a transfer option. So go to your browser and go to tunemymusic.com. I repeat, tunemymusic.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Then here, just tap on the Let's Start option. So of course, we have to select the source. The source is Spotify, so we will select Spotify. And where do we want to export to? We want to export to our YouTube music. So first log in with the Spotify account and give it the access and tap on permission. Now here you can simply select copy Spotify playlist URL or paste here, or you can simply load from your Spotify account. I will just select load from my Spotify account and I will just select this particular playlist. Let's say not this one, but this one here. So I'll tap on choose destination. The destination is YouTube music. So you have YouTube and YouTube music. If you want to transfer to YouTube music, select YouTube music here. And once you select YouTube music, you have to make sure to log in with your Google account as well, which is your YouTube account, of course. Then tap the allow option over here. And as you have done that, this transfer process will actually get started, right? So it will also give me a pop-up that a new account was logged in. So once it's done that, it will go ahead and then verify the remaining instructions, and then you can just tap on transfer and the playlist will get successfully exported from Spotify to your YouTube music by using tunemymusic.com. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.